Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. It's your girl, Nikisha. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I wanted to document this new chapter in my life. Today is a very exciting day. I can't even lie to you. I'm getting Sisterlocks today. I am so excited. I'm currently ready for my coffee because got me up here early in the morning. I'm tired. But I'm on my way to get my locks done. And I'm excited because I've been wanting them for 4 years and have been literally, doing the research, contemplating, making sure this is something I really wanted. I'm currently natural, and I would consider myself a lazy natural. So yeah, hold on. So I'm on my way to get my hair done. I'm so excited. So today is the day that I get my Sisterlocks. I'm so excited because I have been really wanting these for 4 years or more. My mother has them, and I was able to see her beginning stages, her mid stages, into her current stages, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And for me, I did a lot of research before I do any big decisions like that. And I was just trying to figure out, first of all, because it's pricey. Second of all, if it's something that I really wanted to do and be committed to doing. And so after I did all that, I decided I want to go ahead and do it. So today is the day I'm going to get them done. I'm currently on my way there now. The lady that I have been watching them for about 2 years. Her daughter used to work for me, and she did her daughter's hair, and I fell in love with it. I was like, oh my God, who did your hair? She's like, my mother. I was like, oh my God, give me her information because I want my hair done. And at the time, she wasn't taking any new clients. That was 2 years ago. I've been watching and hawking and stalking and them for 2 years, and they finally opened up the books in May. In the morning, honey, I didn't even sleep that night. I stayed up all night, ready to hit that button, confirm appointment, So I got in, and they was only taking 10 people, and out of the 10 people, I was one of them. I was so excited. Had my consultation a couple months ago, where she put some starter Sisterlocks in, and went over everything, the details, all the questions I had. And then I set my appointment, which is today. I'm so excited. Y'all can't even tell me nothing. I'm so excited. So I wanted to document this because, again, it's a new chapter in my life. I'm excited about it. So I'm going to just walk and show you guys. Start this new hair journey with me. I'm excited. I've been obsessed with them. And it's like, how you know when you want something or you see something that you like, or a car or whatever, you always see it. So now that I've been wanting Sisterlocks and I've decided to get Sisterlocks, I swear I see Sisterlocks everywhere. I see women with them everywhere. It's like everywhere I turn, I can point them out. Those Sisterlocks, right? Those Sisterlocks, right? Hey, you got Sisterlocks, don't you? And it's so funny because I've always wanted them, but I've never really been obsessed to really notice the detail of noticing, what they look like, and or if I've seen them on people. And I think they look really pretty. My other concern was, because my hair is a little bit finer, it's thick but finer. I don't have a lot of hair follicles. I don't know how to explain it. You'll see. I was scared I was going to have all scalp, I was just going to be scalpy, and I was like, no, I have a small head, so it's I didn't want to do that. But she assured me that it's not going to be looking like that. And then the fact that I got to see my mother's hair, whose hair is really fine and thin, and she has really fine and thin and sometimes no hair, some spots of her hair. Her hair looks full and beautiful. So that kind of made me comfortable with the fact that, okay, I could feel a little bit better about what my hair is going to look like. Oh, Jesus, sorry, y'all. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm on my way. I'm up the street now from them, so I'm excited. Just want to take you along with me. I'm going to do the whole process. She said it's going to be an hour-long process of parting to get in the grid correctly, and then she's going to start. So I have 2 days. It's supposed to have been 3 days, but we're doing it for 2 days. We're going to do it a Sunday and a Monday, 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock at night for the 2 days. So it's going to be a very long day. I'm a little bit worry about that. I got my little snacks with me. We are going to stop and take breaks, she said, so that's good. So I can stop and get something to eat and breaks or whatever. I did get my coffee and a breakfast sandwich because, again, it is really early in the morning and your girl is not a morning person. So I'm going to quit babbling along because it's probably a long little intro. I apologize. But yeah, I will see you guys when I get inside. And yeah. Day. I just wanted to show you shrinkage is real because if you see the last clip, my hair is like down here and then now it's like up here. So yes, your girl is excited. I love them. Love them. Now I'm just trying to figure out how to style this. That's just my biggest worry now waking up this morning. Just trying to figure out how to wear her, you know? Just trying to figure out how to wear her. I love them. So